Gee whiz. I mean, Craig Malice showing up out of the blue is one thing. Darth Lewis 7 showing up at all is another. But teaming up with Captain Starbeard, it's as if they wanted to team up or something. Tell me about it. And just when the sun came out too. Yeah. Hopefully Dawn Nature will take care of it. And what's this about Dawn Nature? She's going to investigate some activity that Craig, Darth Lewis and Captain Starbeard are committing. Good grief. Yeah, tell me about it. I better go and take care of the situation. Alright, what's going on? It's Darth Lewis the 7th. He and Craig are teaming up with Captain Starbeard. Yes, and I'm here to take care of them. Why, you little... Yeah. Yeah, that's telling them off. I'll take care of them. I wonder what's going on here then. Alright. What's going on? It's King Voldemort and Master Saberline. Yeah. They showed up out of the blue. And we need to get rid of them somehow. I see. Well, in any case, you've got another thing coming. If you think you can take us on. And you don't. I fail to understand then. Yeah, I never understand what I've got coming either. Yeah, well, you'll see soon enough. You dirty... We are experiencing technical difficulties that are of a magical nature. Please stand by. Ugh, now that I take care of those bad boys. Huh. Yeah. With your powers and all. Yeah, well, we'll have to worry about them over the next month. Yeah, good call. Yeah, I mean, who knows? They might even, show up but more prepared. Yeah, so we need to keep on our toes. Yeah. See you later, Dawn and Jem. Yeah, see you later.